Okay, now it's step 3 and it's detailing our faces. You really want to take a good look at your face from the photograph. If you want to use a mirror, you can, but I'm just going to draw, I want you to do eyes, eyebrows, nose, mouth, and ears for this part. So I'm doing an almond-shaped eye. I'm looking at my eyes. I'm doing an almond-shaped eye, and there's some eyelash. This is a detail, but I'm putting it in here, and there's an eyeball, and there's a little hair, and pupil, and that will be colored later. You could fold it and get two. I'm kind of doing this so I get two the same. Cutting it out. You could always draw it. I'm going to place them and then glue them down. These are the eyes. My eyes. 1, 2. Kind of squinty eyes. And then I will draw the details on that one. And then, use your scraps. You don't have to get a new piece of paper. My eyebrows are kind of pointy. I really want you to do a little looking before you draw. They're kind of pointy. You could color them in. Mine are kind of dark-ish. Same thing, you can fold it, or you can draw it freehand on the other side, but I think the folding idea is good because you have a symmetrical face, and what's on one side is also on the other. There's my eyebrows, and they're kind of, let's see how they come out. 1, 2, and then a nose. Let's do a nose. And the nose, you could do a nose like this. You could do a little nose like that. It's a wiggle nose, like a little nose like that. Or you could do an L nose. Maybe I'll do, come up with, or you could even do like a sort of a geometric nose. Like that. Kind of like that one. Really come up with your own idea. So this is the features. And I will embellish this. That means make it more detailed later. Does my nose look like that? I think a little longer. A little longer. And then I'm going to do a mouth. My mouth. I do a mouth with a little, like it's a bird. I do a bird shape, and then I just do a little under arch underneath it, and maybe a line through it. Could be a mouth. Cut it out. These will be glued down. And then we come back for step 4, which is detailing. I'm not quite done. I consider ears a basic shape, so I just do a semicircle. And I fold paper. You get 2 ears. Ears are very easy. That one has a funny thing. You can't really see on the white, but okay, so that's it. So, and then you just glue it down. I'm going to use regular glue. Art is imperfect, so know that. Here's a nose, eyes, and when we come back for detailing, you'll see this has changed a little bit because I will have filled in the eyes. A little of this. The eyebrows hard to lift up. The paper's a little wet still. Okay. You can't really see the ears because they're not tan, but I could color them later. So far, part 3.